everyone! Welcome to Leny's Kitchen! Hi everyone! Welcome back to Leny's Kitchen! So today, I'll be cooking cheesy cream dory in white sauce na i-bake ko after. So it's going to be called baked creamy cheesy cream dory in white sauce. So earlier, I fried the cream dory separately. Dinip fry siya. Coated with egg and flour. And then deep fried and set aside. So for the sauce, for the white sauce, just saute diced onions. And then mushroom. These are sliced mushrooms. And then add pepper to taste. You can use white pepper. Pero kung walang white pepper, pwede naman din ang black pepper. Basta ground, yung fine. So after that, we add in the diced bell pepper, which will add flavor to the recipe. So when this is done, we add in the milk. So after the milk, we add in the cream. This is heavy cream. So after adding the cream, now it's boiling, we season it with garlic and onion powder. These are my secret ingredients. And then season it with salt and pepper. Just a pinch of salt. And then let it simmer for a few minutes. Cover it. And then let it simmer for a few minutes. So after simmering it for a few minutes, to make the sauce thick, I add in the cornstarch. Just 1 tablespoon of cornstarch diluted in warm water or tap water. So, antayin lang natin siyang medyo lumapot. Simmer it again for a few minutes. So, while waiting for our cream to get thick, So, pwede na natin i-preheat yung oven kasi i-bake ko yung fish after. So, here. So, now it's boiling and the sauce is already thick. So, yan. It's thick already. So, we add in a chunk of butter to give flavor. To give the buttery flavor for the sauce. Antayin lang natin mag-melt yung butter and then this is done. So now the sauce is thick. There. This is ready. So we will pour the sauce onto the deep fried fish. So here. Spread it like this. And then after that, we will garnish that with, top that with grated cheese and then garnish with chopped parsley and then bake. So after pouring the sauces, the sauce on top or onto the fish, we add in extra butter. Kasi pag binake yan, magme-melt yan. So, mas flavorful. And then, we top it with grated cheese. So, more cheese, mas flavorful. Make it cheesier. Pilihan natin ng cheese. And then, last but not the least, we garnish it with chopped parsley. So, this is done. This is ready. So, now we will bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. So, there. We're back. So, after 15 minutes, there, makita nyo, it's boiling. Nagbo-boil yung cream, yung sauce. So, it's done. Ready to be served. So, this is the finished product after baking it for about 15 minutes. This is LK's Baked Cheesy Cream Dory in white sauce. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Stay safe. God bless.